In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 3-part seamless banner for Instagram with Canva. By the end, you'll have a single panoramic design that splits perfectly into 3 square posts across your Instagram grid, with artwork flowing cleanly from one panel to the next. First, open Canva and start a new design with custom dimensions set to 3240 pixels wide by 1080 pixels high. This size equals 3 standard Instagram squares sitting side by side, each one 1080 by 1080. Creating the full width from the start ensures everything lines up and maintains the same resolution across all 3 sections. Next, let's set up guides so alignment is effortless. Press Shift+R to reveal the rulers. From the left ruler, click and drag a vertical guide to the 1080 pixel mark, then drag another to 2160 pixels. These 2 guides mark the boundaries between the 3 posts. Think of them as your cut lines. For the cleanest result, keep essential text, faces, and logos a little away from these lines, so nothing important gets split. Zoom in as you drag to land precisely on the pixel marks, and make sure snapping is enabled so elements lock neatly to the guides. Now design your banner. You can use a single wide photo that stretches across the entire canvas, or build a cohesive look using consistent branding, colors, and typography in all 3 sections. Align shapes, text, and icons so they flow naturally from one panel to the next. If an element crosses a guide, ensure it continues at the exact same position on the other side for a truly seamless effect. Group related layers to keep spacing consistent. Maintain a clear hierarchy with one focal point, typically centered, and supporting details on the left and right. Leave comfortable margins near the edges to avoid crowding, and check color contrast so everything remains readable. As you place items, use your arrow keys for fine nudging, and periodically zoom out to see how the full banner feels as a unified piece. When you're happy with the design, it's time to export. Click Share, then Download, and choose PNG for a crisp, high-quality image. Keep the full dimensions so your artwork stays sharp, and double-check at 100% zoom that lines and edges are clean. Then download the complete banner as a single PNG file. That's it. Thanks for watching.